Today is the 21st of December, and baby Aiko is, not quite sure, but she'll be 6 months on January 4th, so maybe 24 weeks? We're not quite sure. So I'm sick, she's a bit sick. She's got her, what's it called? Santa's helper's outfit on, so you can have a look at that. Okay, show them your outfit. She likes to try and bite the toes on this outfit, don't you, Aiko? Aiko, do you have anything you want to say to the people? I want to get out. I want to get out. Do you want to get out, Aiko? She's trying to, but you can't get out yet. Anyway, we're going to give a quick update. It's almost Christmas. We're hoping to both be well for Christmas Day. We're going to go to the doctor's tomorrow, though, because she's had a cough for 2 weeks, so we don't want it to get any worse. We thought it was just a cold, and it might be, but we need to check and make sure. Go on. Say what you're saying. Okay, we're done here.